Good morning. My name is Lisa, and today I am hiking. Many of you know that my name is Pine Notes, and one of those reasons is because I love pine trees and I love nature, and most of my designs are greatly inspired by nature itself. I'm going to swing you around to take a look. I promised you guys I'd come back with yarn real soon after my hike, and I am definitely going to do that as the winter months set in. But here is a few of the places I hike. Enjoy your tour. We're saying good morning to the chipmunks this morning. We've already heard the blue jays. Today is September 15th, and we're just heading into the season where the leaves change and the trees start losing their foliage. I'm going to go up a little bit so you guys see. I am sitting in the middle of Ohio, in Bath, Ohio, in fact, at a campground that is known for its ancient foliage, ferns, and wildlife. It is a protected park and it is private. I get to come about once a year, and I come with my cousins and a bunch of friends. We've been coming here since the 1970s and 80s. When we were children, we used to camp here with our families, and now the group of women get together, and there's only one other crocheter besides me, and this year you will see that I taught my cousin Michelle how to knit my summer Brights beach bag, and I just wanted to give you a taste of where my inspiration comes from. Now remember, Pine Notes was made because I love taking photographs of the beautiful nature surroundings and everything that has to do with nature, with flowers, definitely color inspired here. And I wanted to share that with you today. So I'm going to continue hiking. I just sat down and said, let me show my friends out there in the fiber community what inspires me. I'm looking forward to coming back this fall and winter and having a grand time with yarn. But right now, my trees are calling, and I'm going to answer that call. So what do we say? Make it a great day to knit and crochet. Get a hike in there too. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.